if this actually works. Like here. Oh, I ain't got the code on here. No. Let's see what happens. I can't hear anything. I need some. Oh, it says I'm live. No, not wrong mouse. Wrong mouse. I need to use this mouse. Now let's get my Xcode app in. This is just a very basic test here to see if I can get this working. Can I clone my repo? It's all on my laptop. No. What to do? What to do? Seems to be working okay. Close that. Got my chat window. I have a chat window. I have a chat window here. You currently don't have any public live streams on. Go live. We'll connect you to your chat. Should be connected. Ooh, that audio doesn't sound great. You bear with me, guys. Try and get it sorted. Put voice focus on. See if that helps at all. Nope, doesn't seem to. Right, noise removal. Oh, these things take it. Nope, don't have that. So how am I connected to Elgato? This is confusing. And why am I hearing myself? I don't like hearing myself. Maybe I'm connected with my Google account. I think I am. Right, let's see if this works. Right, noise removal was meant to be on, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Hello? Hello, hello? Hello, hello? Not sure if that's any better, but we'll go with that. Right. And so I've got my PC, which is my streaming PC. I've got my Mac Mini M4. This the Mac Mini M4 is going to be my development. I've not really got anything on it because I've just set it up. I mainly use my laptop. As you can see, Xcode is empty. Do I have cursor installed? I do. Right, we'll try creating a Tide app. Right, iOS app. Next. Time Tide. Time tides. Oh, I need to add my team. So how are we all doing anyway? I hope we're all well. Add my team member here. So I am the admin. Right, so that's okay. Net Russian, Swift UI, Swift. Testing, don't need testing. Storage, don't need storage just now. I should have on here my development stuff that's on the clouds and download folder here. No, I didn't want to put it there. Well, it's going there just now. Cancel that. This is just a test anyway. Just want to see what the playback that's like. So, will we use cursor? Or will we use Claude Code? I think we'll use Claude Code if I've got it installed. No, that's what I didn't want to do. Open folder. Let's see. I don't have Claude Code installed. I will quickly get this installed. No, that's not the right bits. Do I even have Node installed yet? I'm not too sure. Eek. Not very well. I think I installed Node. Right, Node is installed. Buy. Quit. Exit. Buy. Control C. Oh, normally gets out anyway. Right. So copy this code, paste it into terminal. Need to do it with sudo. That seemed to do the trick. Oh, next is do not use sudo npm install. That was the only way I could get it working. Oh well, we'll see if it causes any problems. Can you see this terminal okay, or do you need to make it bigger at all? Dark mods. Should have really prepared all this, but give somebody an insight how to set this up if I've never done it before. It is really quite easy. And do we put some sound on? Do we put some tunes on? I think we should. I've got a new software I'm testing out, streaming software. It's called Mild Studio, I think. Do I have Spotify installed? I do. Right, I'm going to put stream beats on. I don't think you can hear that music, can you? I'm hearing the audio from the... Right, I think that's it. Right, the volume should be going down. Right, hopefully that volume is a bit low. I don't know. Anyway, this is just a test, very test basic stream to see what happens here. Right, so I've got my basic app, Blueprint app, iOS apps thing made, cursor loaded, using Quad Code. That's a good combination. Do we want to install? Yes, install new updates. Why not? So if there's anybody in chat, just say hi. Like to see if there's anybody here. Said there was somebody in. Didn't stay long. Right, that's cursor loaded back up, or Claude. Launch it back up. Dark mode. God, I need to sign back in again. It's a bit annoying. Right, login successful. Press enter. Right, welcome to Claude Code. Security notes. Claude can make mistakes. You should always review Claude's responses, especially when running code, due to prompt injection risk. Okay. Using Claude Code, tell yourself for additional coding experience, optimal coding experience, enable recommended settings. Yes, why not? We'll do recommended. Do you trust the files in this folder? Yes, I hope so. Right, so tips getting started. Run the /init to create a Claude, read the file, instructions for Claudes. Okie dokie. Right, let's just go create a readme file. I've actually got a file on my desktop that I think I'll copy across to this while this is doing this. I actually got Claude to make this up, and also a download that I found that somebody posted. I could use this. The first one I've got, the guidelines, is for guidelines for making this the app compliant with the App Store. But I'm not too bored about that just now, because this is just a little test. Right, so we should have a readme file. Right, create a readme file. Right, so it actually does quite a wee bit, but we'll add this other stuff onto it as well. Right, I've not got my microphone connected, so I'll need to type it in, and there may be some spelling mistakes. I do apologise if there is any. Right, so please create a time tide app iOS application that will show the low and high sea tides for next 24 hours based on the location that user either selects, either searches for, or using the user's GPS. Please use a free API. Please use a free API. Modern, like a modern looking app with with gold colorful graphics. We'll just see what this does. We'll see what this does. Hopefully it will do something. If it's not, it doesn't do anything. Nothing lost, nothing gained. But this is just more a test for the app. Let's see. I'm going to actually have a little look on my phone to see what it sounds like. Yes, mods. One. Yeah, I do have a lot of background noise. I'm not liking that. And the music's not coming through either. Not to worry. This is just going away and it's doing its thing. As you can see, we've got the to-do list there. Set up location services. Set up Tide data model for nuclear services. Time ordering the Tide visualization. Implement 24 hours Tide display. Build location search functionality. Add colourful graphics and animation. Add unit tests. I don't know what unit tests, but we'll see. Okay, so it's now done to create the Tide date model. So as you can see, it kind of just does its own thing, works away, which is quite cool. You get our studio room properly set up. I'm just wondering why it's not why we're not getting any sound. As a track, as the track set not to go to YouTube, possibly. But we'll see anyway, see what it does. Huh? No harm, we'll close that window down. Xcode, see if it's updated anything. It probably doesn't. Like, can you actually view? I had problems with this with my main app that I'm doing the views. I couldn't view. They weren't displaying in the preview window. And then it could not even be built, some of this stuff yet. We'll give it time. Just very weird why this is not working. Very weird. And I apologise for people who just joined. I've set this stream up just when I test stream and it's not really working right. I'm getting sound, but you're not getting any. Well, getting sound. I'm getting music, but for some reason, you're not getting the music. And I'm not too sure why. But what I'm actually doing, I'm just creating a little test iOS app. I've actually got, in fact, I might be able to show you this while this one's going away. I've got an app that I've actually launched in the App Store for sort of tracking away Mounjaro, which is a GLP-1 drug that helps you lose weight by suppressing your appetite and your need for sugars and all that sort of stuff. Just installing this because I've opened it up to install on the Mac as in my iPhone app as well as iPhone and iPad. I want to just see what this. I wonder if this will input my data. Probably will input my data because it's stored in the iCloud. So there might be an embarrassing picture here. No, it's not. This is the problem we had with my friends on Creative Magic. The achievement unlocks not right. But an iPhone is actually perfect. Can we sync? In fact, we can probably sync and that will maybe get the data. Not sure if I need to actually close that down completely. Am I going to launch it? Nope. Why is this not working? You broke it, Bernard. You broke it. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe this is not really meant to work on the Mac. Not a very good demo. Eek. Why is it not working? It's not syncing for some reason. Sync button's not working. I need to have a look at that. I'll add that to my piles to do. So let's see what this Tide app's doing. But I'll open it up after closing it maybe. No, still doesn't do it. Right. Close that down. Okay, so what's this app doing? Is it done everything yet? Certainly I did a lot of code. So it's still working, it's working its way through. So it's done most of it. And so what's that? The app uses anyways, freeze API, knows you required, provide accurate time predictions for US coastal areas. Well, I'm in the UK, that doesn't really help. You know what, we'll just fire it up and see what happens. Build failed. Let's see what errors it's got. What's that now? Basically all you do is copy and paste, please. Alright. Get rid of the one of the errors. Did Claude Code see that error? Right, okay, we'll get some errors, so we'll copy this into Claude. Please have a look and fix the bug for me. Thank you very much. Always be kind to your AI. You never know what's going to happen. But you should have got it right in the first place. So was it the info P list? Might need to do something manually. Next code here. This is one thing I don't like about the iOS app, especially designed with Xcode. Probably better using Node or something. React. I think that maybe deals with it a lot better, but we'll see how this goes. Fingers crossed. Right, so it's removed it. Let's see. Did it remove it? Build field. It's not working. It's giving more errors. I don't like it. I just need to copy and paste again. Some more errors for you to fix. Thanks. I've had some people in, it's quite good. If I get it properly set up, it'll be a lot better. My desk's a bit messy. Let's see, can I add my iPhone as a camera? No, I can't. I don't think I can add my iPhone as a camera. Must have another video device I can use. LSV cam. No idea what that is. I don't think it works out. It doesn't work anyway. Right, let's see. Do we have. Ooh! Views are working. So allow time tide to use your location. Welcome to time tide. Search location. Right, so this is going to be like US beta. Tide, right? Glasgow. Where can we type USA? New Jersey. Try and use, I hate these test apps, man. I'll go see Orlando. Okay, so we are getting something's not quite working. Going to launch in the debugger to see if that right, we'll do the iPhone 16, don't want to do a big screen because I don't think all the real estate. Here's the simulator launching. Yeah, I'm not too sure if I like this software that I'm streaming with, but gotta give it a wee go. It looked so easy to set up. Maybe too easy. Give the time for the right, okay. Move this across to see the debugger. Allow while using the app. Data couldn't be read because it isn't in the correct format. Not too sure if this error doesn't seem to be anything. Right, we'll try Orlando again. I'll just try. Now what we'll do, we'll copy and paste this. Not too sure what's. We'll just copy and paste this, right? We'll put this into Cloud Code. Paste this in. I meant to type. This might not come back with anything. Well, it might fix it. Just need to see what happens here. Got about 3 viewers in, according to the stats. Certainly learned something from that error message, but well, what I can do, I'm tired here, very tired. I wonder why the sound isn't outputting to ease. Going to be something really simple, I know it is. So how's everybody's day been anyway today? What he's all been up to? Anything exciting? Had quite a busy day in work myself. One of our companies has been sold. So the date was meant to be yesterday, so we're trying to get everything ready for yesterday, get pushed back to today. It looks like it's getting pushed back to maybe tomorrow. Because I kind of work in the accounts department side, it's kind of a back and through for trying to get stuff done, making sure figures are all correct, etc. Okay, so that's done what it's. Still don't think this is maybe fixed the error, but we'll see. So I didn't really ask it to do anything or ask what the problem was. But one should happen again. It might have been something just silly as that. Search location. The data could not. We're trying New York. New York is right. So we're getting an error. Can I take a screenshot? Control Shift 4. Ooh. Yeah, I take a screenshot there, and that should be in my. Hopefully that should be in my clipboard. Not too sure if this is. Control Shift 3. No, I've got an image now, but I don't know what the image is. What could that image be? We'll try again from the simulator. Yeah, I've actually got that, so now then. So if we paste that, I should say image 43. Yeah. So when we launch the app, we get this message. Also when we try and type in location, nothing happens. I want to say about I want to try and get it for worldwide, not just for America, because I'm in Scotland. So can you use an API that's free? No, I better some actual say, because I might just say it was USA. Does this API that you have used able to find information from the UK, for example? If not, can you please find a free API that works worldwide? Thanks. Right, we'll see what this does. It looks like it's maybe switching to a different try to find another API, which may be good for us. It's annoying why this word track's not working. Just have a little look at these settings in my software. Audio. Yeah, I think I'll leave it just. I'll leave it just now. I will leave that one just now. Just a pity you can't hear the music that I'm listening to for some reason. Because it's rewriting the API for worldwide tides. Maybe I should have specified at the start, but I didn't say just USA. So that is kind of a problem. Assumed. Audio output device. No, it's not really that. Mail Studio. I do like the idea of this Mail Studio app, but I don't even know if these people, if people coming in and out, I don't know if it's actual people or is it this app that's logging in and out. Well, let's see. How to set up. Get your free API key from this website. Register for free. Copy your key. And nobody watch while I get my site. My free API key. Get free credits. I need to put my name details. I'm going to dox myself, but you know my name anyway. And this is just for a test anyway, so I'm not too bothered. As long as I don't need to put credit card details in, just to get free access. Save. Check my emails. Confirm registration. You know what, I have a funny feeling I've actually already got an account here. To be to be fair, $3.99 for a year for 1,000 credits. That's not too bad. No, could get pretty pricey. Like 2 million credits if your app's turns to be quite good. Does this already have? Oh, yeah, they've got their actual own apps, right? Okay. Log in again. Prepaid subscriptions. There's my API key. Nobody copy that now. I will be changing after the stream. Right, so tied services, Swift. And I don't think this is good practice, putting your actual key into your actual app. I think you actually need to put something on a back end of yourself to do this. So London, UK ties, that actually looks okay. Right, so we'll give this a little quick go, see what the graphics are like. You'll need to build this again from scratch. Wrong app, Xcode app, build. If you are popping in, just please say hi, because I don't know if it's a bot that's just come in or if it is a actual genuine person. If you are there, say hi. I won't bite, honest. Right, that build failed. Right, okay, copy and paste this error. Declare it again. No, that's not the error. Nobody look at that. Okay. Right. Control C, copy. That is the error, isn't it? Yeah. Please fix this error. See what it does. Should fix it, hopefully. Just actually see what this looks like. If you're actually in, if you want to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button even better. The streams will get better, this is me just actually mucking about, so it will get better than this, I promise. Right, successfully built. That looks better. It's actually pulling in longitude, latitudes, good looks of it. So search location, use current, I don't, no that's not still not going to work. That didn't work. Is it going to work for these, that data is only suggested? Nope. It's weird, it's like it did work because it's got San Francisco Bay that I suspect it's pulled off the GPS location. We'll try it with type San Francisco if it actually friend. Nope. Glasgow. Oh, nope. Oh. Wait, there we go. Right, so let's see if it does pull something back, because that was too far. if we go for London, it's actually right. So it is finding stuff. And that's probably the data. That's the hours data, right? So it is pulling it. Right, I'll copy. Because I think this is probably the right data that we're getting. So we'll copy this, we'll go to upload, we'll paste this in. From Xcode logs, it looks like we are getting information, but the app is unable to display anything. Please look into it. And this will hopefully get it sorted. I might close that stream now. I don't need that stream on. Don't need that on. Don't need that on. Don't need that on. Don't need that on. Oh, somebody texted me actually. Let's see. Can you please bin the printouts that I assume went to the office? Oh dear. Right, so let's see what's it saying. So it looks like it's maybe fixed the issue there. You can see the API is working perfectly, we're getting the data from London, latitude, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Looking at the API response, you can see the issues from the type restriction is created from the UID, blah 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 blah. It might have still not actually updated from the last API I was using. Fixed. Yeah, actually maybe better. Let's see what happens. Or do we get another error? Nobody knows. Right. Search location. It's not working right. It's easy enough probably to get working, to be fair. We'll try Glasgow. It's still not really working. Let's see what prompts. Right, the app is still. The app still looks like it's getting the correct information from the API, but it's not being displayed onto the card view. It's not getting displayed on the app, just need to see how this goes. not looking very confident in this. Oh dear. It's okay. Right, let's see. Says it's done a lot. Do you believe it? Don't know. But we'll give it a go. Definitely fast to build apps on the M4. Oh god, we get debug data now. Yeah, I had more debug data, but never mind fixing the problem. Right, at least we've got stuff. I think it was there. Copy that to there. Going to burn out tokens, that's right. Please see log file. Still nothing being displayed. We're down to 0 users. No, I had 1 user wait for a long time and they've just went away. I'm so sad. Right, you've taken that out and added that back in again. But added as an optional, I believe. I've done some Swift programming, but not an awful lot. I wouldn't say I'm an expert in any programming, but I kind of know the kind of basics. That's better. That is better. Don't go promise. Current location. That is nice. Is that my current location? Okay, we'll search for Glasgow. That looks okay. So what time is it now? Right, so it's just about coming up for 9:30. So low tide is there in 40 minutes. So it's minus 3.8 feet. So what is the high tide? Is that going to be plus? Yeah, it's going to be plus. It's quite good. Use current location. Current location, don't know where it actually is. Where's... that seems okay actually. New York. Cool. It works. The only thing I don't like, the graph is not smooth. But for basically a couple of options, just some messing about, it's actually not too bad. Right, what we'll try and do is, we'll go back to it. Right, that seems to work now. Yes, that seems to work now, thanks. What other features do you think would be worthwhile for users of this app? Let's see. Not too sure this do. It might give us just a list to choose from, or it might just go away and start building stuff. But we'll see. But for a couple of prompts, actually, I'm quite happy with that. Maybe get a picture of the location. Would maybe be quite cool. If where you're actually searching, or where close by. Right, so New York, is that New York's time or is that my time? So that's my time. Interesting. Right, so let's see. Certainly give a lot of stuff. Notifications and alerts, high low tides, that's alerts, save location favourites, extend the time durations, weather integration. Weather integration would be good. You could add weather integration and then have a back-end API going to some AI agent to determine if somebody wants to go, say, paddleboarding at a certain location. Is it going to be good enough for doing it at that time of the year, etc.? Just having a little eye. If anybody sees anything they want me to see having a go at making, just put it in chat. I won't go too far. And actually, can you actually read the chat okay? Widget would be quite cool as well. Animated tide flows, moving water animation. Maybe it gives you what? These would, in fact, you know what, I'll go. Please work on your work your way through the list until completed. Thanks. See what happens here. This might take some time, or it might not take some time. But what I actually quite like to get working is this audio. I don't know why you're not getting music. Which is annoying. Right, I'm going to have a little go, see if I can get some music working. Got the audio mixer. Probably not doing something right. To be fair, I've not even looked at any tutorials for this program, how to set it up, so there could be something I've just not done. Because I've basically just went, set up, start, go. Nobody wants to hear my singing. Audio output device. Must be something. So it's got the audio bit right. Nothing there. I just don't know. Plugins, advanced, audio. I don't know what that means. No, I think I need to look at some tutorial videos how people set this up. Right, that's not done that already. No, still working through that. Right, let's see what it's done so far. So if you've just joined, I'm just actually testing my setup. Trying to get back into streaming again. For the past 6 months, I've been on Mounjaro, which is a GLP-1 drug for diabetes, stroke, help with weight loss. Fortunately enough, I'm not using it for having diabetes. It's for weight loss. So I've been on that for a while, and what I thought I'd do is create an app using AI to track my weight and my injections. And then a couple of weeks ago, I went, you know what, I think I should actually release this app. So I've been polishing some bugs that I've had to get it to an MVP stage, and I've actually released it in the App Store. It's not free, which I was pondering with. I am charging $1.99 for it. It's not an awful lot of money. It didn't really take me a lot of time to make, a couple of hours here and there, a couple of times a week. It was mostly a sort of AI's help to make the app, so I feel a bit, am I cheating people away not charging? But I've talked to a lot of people about it, and they've said, well, you have still put the time into it. Would you charge an app differently if it was a junior developer making it, or if it was an actual X10 engineer making the app? No, you'd charge the same price. But it was my first app, happy to get it on the App Store. Took a couple of times to get it through the release stages, but I've already done one update so far. In fact, I've done 2 updates, but I've only published one of them so far, because the other one I didn't even need to publish because I'd fixed it, other bits and pieces in the next version. So I thought I'd just jump on, because I want to try and get more streaming done, like I've said, try and get some more done. So I got a Mac Mini M4 a couple of weeks ago. It's been set in this office for a while, not really doing anything. At the same time I bought a capture card to go to my actual gaming, my gaming PC, streaming PC. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to fire this up. So I've downloaded this software called Meld, which is a streaming software that I've seen on TikTok. And I went, you know what, I'll give it a wee go. And it does look quite good, it's got potential, but I could probably do with looking at some apps first, tutorials first, to see how it works. So let's see what's this doing here. Right, is it still adding stuff? I want to see what it's doing. So implemented the save location feature. Now need to move the mode. Okay, it's removing that stuff. Create the application. Let's do this. Right, so it's done the save location, it's now doing the push notification. God, I cannot speak tonight. Does anybody else have this trouble when they're streaming? Being unable to speak? God, it's just going away and it's doing this thing. God, what's been implemented? God, say we're done on feature number 3, set 3 now. 7-day overview. Daily statistics, interactive day cards, daily detailed view, weekly comparison, today's highlights, header handling. I'm going to run out of API credits at this rate. Now let's add the weather data. Let's do the weather data now. Jeez, well, it's getting up. So how long have I been streaming for? 1 hour, 1 hour 10 minutes. Jeez. I can't believe it. Excuse me, you must be. Where should one send the invoice for paper usage? Paper and toner. Oh, boss. Ready for the next. God, it's done all that. Jeez, well, let's have a look at what this has done, or what it's broke. I suspect there'll be some errors. Yeah, not many to be fair. I want to get to a stage when I'm doing iOS apps that I'm actually going to know what that error is and be able to fix it. Please fix. Can we actually see what it does here to fix it? No, we can't because that's just the error log. It will show us here what is fixed. So UN notifications sound and default critical. So it's changed it to that. We'll give it a go. We'll give it a go, as Gary Yates would say. And we've got more errors. Not surprised, but then why did it not have them in the first build? Please fix these errors also. Always be nice to your AI assistant. I think actually Claude would have dealt with these errors better, because it can actually sort of run them, because it can run your sort of a build. I don't think Cursor can do it a bit better. It can sort of run the Xcode simulator. I don't think Claude can. Could be wrong. Claude seemed to just go away and do that type of stuff. Right, we've got more errors here. Seems to be the same error, mind you. Please also access. Should be easy enough to fix. Now you wonder why people get paid thousands and thousands of pounds to develop apps when one person can do it like this. I think the problem with these sort of AI bots is trying to get the app to look nice. And so far I'm impressed with the way Claude has styled the UI. Right, no errors are now. Let's see what's happened. See if there's anything different. It should be different, it should be way different. This one's taking its time to some more. Some more. I think we're getting there though. Definitely getting there. Right. Oh. Fully. Errors. Pardon me. Yeah, I think I'm going to have a little look at this streaming app. See how you actually set up all the different audio tracks. Hey Coco, my cat's just chilling beside me. Right Coco, how you doing? I think he must be hungry. Right, I'll be back in a minute guys, I'm going to feed my cat just now. Back in a minute. And back, the cat is being fed and watered. Let's see. Oh, let's actually try to build on this simulator. Excellent. That's what I wanted to do. Just need to try and find out how to get this the music audio streaming. I'll see what we can do here. It should be working. Magic mic. Whoa. Most is actually now using this headboard. I'll try and build this app myself to see what the errors is in case there's something not showing in the log. Though everything should be showing in the log. But it should just work away until it's done. Hopefully. Right, it's saying it's built successfully now. Now we'll give this a go. We'll give it a go. That's quite cool. Glasgow. So you can edit it. No, that's not edit, is it? God, that's quite good. That is. Now, the graph on that page is better. I don't like the graph on that. Right, where else we search for? London. Add to favourites. I wonder if this will add. It does. That I like. Now what I want to try and do is get the main chart thing a bit more smoother. How do we get? Can I get this app to stay on top? Stay on top. Put that over. I'll take a screenshot so we kind of know what we're sending. Right. That is looking amazing. But please look at the attached screenshot. Can you make the graph more smooth, like they are in the 7-day forecast? Please. Let's see what this does. But that's not bad. Don't know if that meant to be an edit button. I suppose you can untick that. Tick it. Right, where else will we add? Air. I do have an API key for open weather rats. Right, it says it's done it. Let's see if it's done this. And then we'll try and add the open weather rats API key. And close that terminal down. A lot better. Ooh, 7-day forecast is not working, but is that because we're not really in anything? Right, we'll go here. Ooh, we used all our API credits. Looks like we might have used all our API credits. Eek. That ain't good. Right, where was it? Its Tide service was. The API key is still there. Right, why did weather API key? Was it 100 a day or 100 a month? Put this not staying on top, so it's getting in the way. Tide. So you don't really need to spend a lot of money for making these apps because there is a lot of free services out. Okay, it's not the best user limit on them. But what I would do sometimes, I would actually build this into the app. Like I've done my Weight Watcher app. I've got a section where the person can add their own API, their open API key. It might be in the future I'll remake that and use my own API key, but then make it a sort of a premium plan to have that integrated. Right, we'll go Xcode. Right, that's that. Right, we'll build this again. Right. Because it should still probably give us the weather information. No. Well, I think that's us kind of broke it. But actually, I'm quite impressed with that. And then I think that's going to be me for the day. So that was just me wanting to give that a little go, a little quick setup. And I'm quite impressed. So hopefully I'm going to be back here a lot more. So if you want to see what else I got up to, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, do all that YouTube stuff. Now what I was going to ask Claude, how do you change the agent mode? Are we using best practices for storing API key? Just want to see what this comes back and says. We're not using the best practices for storing the API key. Currently, it's hard-coded in the source code, which is a security risk. The API is currently hard-coded, source code, blah blah blah. Implement secure API key management using best practices. Create a config.xcode file for build time configuration. I don't know what this does. Alright, so it's just like an environmental file. Ah, cool. Right, that should still be in my thing. I'm just going to paste that there, can I? That's good to know. I thought it wasn't good to do that, but let's see. Now, I wonder if that error was because it didn't store did it actually store the weather service API key correctly? It's removed it from there now. I wonder if I didn't save the file. No, we'll give Xcode another go. See if the weather data gets pulled in now. Funny feeling maybe I've done an error at my end. Well, it's not going to work at all because I need to do something to build it, don't I? Right, what have I done wrong? Right, index code, go to project settings, info configurations. Oh, my eyes are sore. Right, info configurations. Don't know what that is. The next code, go to right, that's all fine. And next code, go to project settings info. Set config for both debug and release. Project info configuration. Every day is a skill day. Don't know if that's right. Will it work? not seem to want to launch. Just giving this error, but it seems to be set up, yeah. And I try to build it. I think I have the API keys set up. See what this does there. Excuse me. Right, I'm going to end this stream just now because this is probably just about the end anyway. But thanks for watching. I'm going to be back very soon. And hopefully I'll be set up a bit more better, a bit more professional looking. But until then, catch you later.